How to check Facebook video views. If the video is uploaded by you or any page, then this is how you can check the public view count. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Facebook app or website and log into your account. Once logged in, simply scroll down and look for the video you want to see public view of. You can only see the public view count displayed under the video. You cannot see the username of people who have watched it. So, go to the any video and see the number of counts of the video. Facebook shows this below the video if the creator has made it public. You can also go to your Reels section or timeline and open the specific reel, and the view count is shown below the video. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.